In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate unique ID for Microsoft Lists records using Power Automate. We're going to build a simple, reliable flow that stamps every new Microsoft Lists item with a readable, unique ID. This is great for ticket numbers, case references, or any scenario where you want something more user-friendly than the default numeric ID. Start by preparing your Microsoft list. Open the list where you want IDs and add a new column to store the result. Choose single line of text and give it a clear name, like unique ID. Leave it optional so new items can be created without the value. The flow will populate it moments later. Next, open Power Automate and go to Create. Choose Automated Cloud Flow so it can run automatically whenever a new list item appears. Give your flow a meaningful name you'll recognize later. For the trigger, pick the SharePoint connector action called when an item is created. This fires as soon as someone adds a new record in your list. In the triggers settings, select the site address and the list name you prepared earlier. Using the correct site and list here is crucial. Everything else in the flow depends on this. Now add an initialize variable action. Set the type to string and name it something descriptive like var unique ID. Keeping names consistent makes the flow easier to maintain. Add a set variable action to generate the actual ID value. In value, define the format you want using expressions and dynamic content. A dependable pattern is a short prefix, today's date, and the list's numeric ID, for example, list 202604031123. To build this, you can use an expression like concat list, format datetime, UTC now, YIMMD, string trigger outputs, body/ID. Feel free to change the prefix or date format to match your standards. The important part is including the item's ID because it's guaranteed unique per list. Finally, add the update item action from the SharePoint connector. Point it to the same site address and list name. For the ID field in this action, use the ID from the trigger so you update the exact record that just arrived. Then map your unique ID column to the var unique ID variable you set a moment ago. If your list has required fields, be sure to pass them through from the trigger as well so the update doesn't fail. That's it. With this setup, every new item in your list automatically receives a clear, unique reference you can search, filter, and share with confidence.